Just months after the deadly Pahalgam terror attack, where Pakistani terrorists butchered 26 innocents. The United States and Pakistan held counter-terror talks in Islamabad, with US condoling Pak lives lost in terror attacks. But shockingly, Pakistan's notorious role in sponsoring terror was nowhere on the agenda, raising serious doubts in India about America's true intentions. Just a day earlier, the United States had slapped terrorist tag on the Balochistan Liberation Army, which is fighting Pakistani atrocities through armed struggle.
Their shared commitment to combating terrorism in all its forms and manifestations during this latest round of the talks in Islamabad, the United States and Pakistan discussed ways to enhance cooperation to counter terrorist threats, and I think that for the region and for the world, the United States working with both those nations is good news and will promote a future that's beneficial.
This exposed America's double standards in fighting terror. India watches in disbelief as Trump cozies up to Pakistan, hosting its army chief twice post-Operation Sindoor, signing oil deals and reviving Kashmir mediation talks, while ignoring India's persistent anti-terror diplomacy. Defense experts warn this is a calculated United States game to push China out of Pakistan and keep Kashmir simmering, all to fuel its own arms market.
We should remember that it is the Pakistan and America together they created Taliban. American president requires Pakistan. Pakistan is strategically important, and at the moment Pakistan has got Chinese influence in it, which America does not want. America now has his own gay hands tied, and he has no other option but to champion the cause of Pakistan and praise Pakistan.
My assessment is that America is playing a big game in this region now, and they've decided that Pakistan will be their pawn, of course, or their hired, facility.
Cutting across party lines, India unitedly slammed the United States and Pakistan terror hypocrisy, reminding Trump that US had found 9/11 mastermind Osama in Pakistan's own backyard.
आज वो आप ही की जमीन से कह रहे हैं न्यूक्लियर वॉर करेंगे, ये कहां तक सही है? वी एंजॉय स्ट्रेटेजिक फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप विद अमेरिका. इकोनॉमिक रिलेशंस भी हमारे काफी स्ट्रांग हैं. कहीं ना कहीं हमारे कंसर्न्स को दरकिनार कर पाकिस्तान की सराहना करना, ये थोड़ा अटपटा सा है. एंड आई एम श्योर बिटवीन टू फॉरेन सेक्रेटरीज, फॉरेन मिनिस्टर एंड फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी इसको एड्रेस करेंगे.
Washington's priorities are clear: self-interest over justice. And India cannot allow Trump to trample its anti-terror offensive.